Hey, let me show you how you can change ear tips on your Sony WF-1000XM5. So it's really simple. All you have to do is just to grab this part of your earbud like this, hold it, and then grab this ear tip and just pull it towards you. Take a look. That's how it works. It's super simple. You have to use a little bit of the force, but you will definitely do this without any issue. So grab it, then grab this ear tip and pull it towards you. If you want to put them back, that's also really simple. You can actually start from one of the edge. Maybe I'm gonna zoom in a little bit just to show you the better preview of it. So let's just catch focus. There we go. So you should actually put it, the plastic part of your earbud, into one of the edge of the ear tip, and then try to actually flip like this. Then press on it, and now it's inside. Let's do this with another one. Start from one of the edge, like this, then press on it. There we go, and push. And now the both ear tips are actually inside. So as you can see, that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos.